Your 2011-2016 VW Jetta key fob likely needs a new CR2032 battery if it's not working reliably. First, gather a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually on the sides or near the key ring. Insert the pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves. Some 2014 Plus models have a release button you'll need to press while pulling it apart. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation. The positive side is usually marked with a plus symbol. Be sure to ground yourself if possible to prevent static electricity from damaging the electronics inside the fob. Remember to work in a well-lit area and ensure the vehicle is off to prevent accidental locking. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, ensuring the positive side faces the circuit board. Realign the two halves of the fob and snap them back together securely. You should hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your vehicle. If it doesn't work, check for any corrosion on the contacts and clean with a soft cloth. Battery life typically lasts 2 to 4 years. If the fob still fails, ensure the battery is correctly seated and the fob is fully closed. DIY replacement saves you $50 to $100 in dealership fees. Remember to recycle your old battery at an auto shop to help reduce e-waste.